Open. Go.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel for another episode of Balay Angeles. Today, we'll be sharing with you another item that we got for our new home. This is going to be mini review lang of Panasonic Inverter Econavi Refrigerator. Binili namin tong ref na to from Abenson. This is not a sponsored post. So, itong ref na to, we really recommend it and pinili din namin talaga at pinag-aralan if what unit will be best for us. Just a quick sharing with you guys. So, yung ref namin before was a very small ref. Ang brand niya was Easy, EZY, if I pronounce that right. So, maliit lang siya na parang hotel ref. We survived off that ref for 5 years. Marami namang nalalagay sa loob. So, it has 2 layers and a mini freezer. Yun nga lang, hindi kami nakakapagpalamig ng ice or... Kasi sobrang liit nung freezer niya. We would rather put meat or yung mga frozen goods instead of ice. And yun, as you can imagine, yung ref sa hotel, as in, ganun lang siya kaliit, guys. But it's okay, kasi hindi naman kami madalas din nagluluto nasa bahay before, pre-pandemic. It was very useful. Hindi ko lang mapakita in this vlog because we already sold the ref and we got ourselves a new refrigerator. We got it for around 30,000 pesos. Dapat bibili namin siya sa Ansons. Kaya lang, at that time, wala silang stock. So, binili na namin siya sa Abenson. And naka-discount na kami for that amount kasi we paid in cash. So, maybe a lot of you already know this na if you want to have discount, try to pay in cash. That's the quick story. So, with this ref is really very big upgrade for us. So, without further ado, let's get on with our ref review. Introducing the Panasonic Econavi Inverter Refrigerator. It comes in different sizes and yung kinuha namin is yung 11.3 cubic feet in this matte silver gray color. It's a bottom freezer, no frost inverter ref. Okay, so before I show you guys what's inside our ref, let's get started muna with its main features. First, as the name implies, Econavi mode is integrated in the main control board, detecting the refrigerator's frequency of use. Paano nyo nalalaman yun? By opening and closing ng door. Meaning, malalaman niya kung kailan siya pwedeng mag-automatically save ng energy. Just by learning kung kailan nyo in-open and kino-close yung fridge doors nyo. O, diba? Ang galing. So, your fridge will learn the lifestyle of your family. Kung ano man yung pattern from the previous 3 weeks, it will apply that on the 4th week onwards. Therefore, magva-vary yung pattern nung on and off ng Econavi lamp nyo. Econavi mode is only activated when the temperature of the freezer room is set to medium. So later, we will explore yung mga different temperature modes. Hindi rin nag-operate yung Econavi mode when the quick freezing mode is operating. And since this is an inverter refrigerator, matipid din siya because the motor of your compressor runs at a different speed. Pag stable na yung temperature, it will run at a lower speed. Nakakatipid kayo ng energy. And when it needs powerful freezing, saka lang siya nag-higher speed. As I mentioned earlier, we got yung bottom freezer since madalas namin ginagamit yung fridge part para mas madali siyang i-access for whatever food that we need. Na-discuss na natin yung main features of the ref. Let's move on with the control panel. Ito yung magiging itsura ng control panels nyo. This one is the EcoNavi light na sinasabi ko kanina that will turn on and off pag na-activate na siya. Meron tayo ditong mga functionalities or different partitions ng ref that I will be showing pag binuksan natin yung ref. So first is the fridge. We have prime fresh and the freezer. And then, pwede mo siyang i-control to minimum, medium, and max. So yung temperature ng fridge is around 1 to 6 degrees Celsius. For the medium, ganito mo siya i-control. Pag nilagay mo siya sa minimum, that's less 2 to 3 degrees warmer. And pag minax mo siya, that's 2 to 3 degrees colder naman. For the prime fresh, ang temperature niya is around -1 to -5 degrees Celsius. Then pag naka-minimum siya, that's again 2 to 3 degrees warmer. Then pag naka-max siya, that's 2 to 3 degrees colder. Last, we have the freezer. So, sa freezer compartment, the temperature ranges from -23 degrees to -17 degrees Celsius. For the medium, and for the medium one. So, pag nilagay mo siya sa max, it will be colder ng 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Pag minimum naman, it will be around 4 to 5 degrees Celsius warmer. So, merong additional features dito for the freezer. Merong quick freezing. Press mo lang siya. Ayan. To get to the quick freezing. Meron din siyang Prime Fresh Plus. Currently, yung setup ng compartments namin, lahat naka-minimum lang siya. Fridge, for the Prime Fresh, tsaka freezer, naka-minimum lang siya. Pero sobrang lamig ng ref namin. Okay, this is it guys. Papakita ko na sa inyo yung laman ng ref namin. But, wala. Ito yung reality talaga na laman ng ref namin. Tiyan, wala siyang laman. But I just wanted to show you guys yung mga different compartments para ma-appreciate nyo rin yung ref. Start tayo sa door. Meron ditong top shelf. And may Hershey's tayo here. Thank you so much, Hershey's. Paubos na yung chocolate. And then here, meron tayong compartment. Ayoko na siyang buksan kasi it's just some butter and cheese or star margarine na ilalagay niyo dyan. We have the egg compartment. Meron kaming currently 4 eggs. Down here is yung bottles compartment. Meron kaming aloe juice, real leaf, 4 Seasons, mango juice, mayo, and gochujang. Yung fridge mismo, meron siyang 3 layers ng open shelves. So, ito, na-move siya, guys. Ayan. See? Ayan. Itong dalawa, natatanggal siya. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust based on the preferred levels. So, marami naman siyang pwedeng lagyan. We just prefer na matangkad yung dito. And then, sa taas, yung mga jars and leftovers. And down here, we have 2 Prime Fresh compartments. Dito namin nilalagay yung mga veggies. And dito, supposedly for meats and fish, pwede siyang 1 week storage according to the ref inserts. Kasi parang soft freezing lang siya, but wala. Noodles lang yung laman. Udon. Preferred pa rin namin to have our meats frozen talaga. Ref comes din naman with ice containers. May ice trays siya dito. And then twist siya para mahulog siya dun sa container sa baba. Merong isang drawer. This is the frozen compartment for the meats. The door, meron din siyang isang freezer door shelf. That's it, guys. Okay, so that's it for our mini ref review. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye! May ilaw ba pag sinasara? Walang ilaw pag sinasara. Bye. Ano yan?
Sa mga juice.
Yun yung totoong
Kaya
ref
ito ang
tour.
rep namin. Thank you, Hershey's. Sponsor. Saan to? Toast Buds. Korean, Japanese. Yan, cheese. Ay, hindi pa lang ito. Aray ko! Niya ka.
Ano yung mga yan?
Pang magagang bago yan. Sponsor ni CJ. Nar. Pieces. Chi. Ano to?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw. Ito, totoo. Krispy Kreme.
Ano yan?
Ito, apat talaga itlog, hindi isa. Ang totoong itlog, apat. Tapos meron kami Dairy Queen, tsaka cheese. Juice. Tip ko.
Ayan. Dami ah.
Ito, Starbucks. Ito, Bungalow Strawberry. Krispy Kreme na 2 linggo na.
Fish cake.
Cake, tsaka mixed veggies. Okay. That's a wrap.